In the assignment, A Letter to My Favorite Teacher, we want you to think about professional dispositions. Dispositions are those attitudes that we bring to our work that tell us something about what we think about ourselves, what we think about our job, what we think about our students, education at large, and collectively they kind of help determine whether or not we're a good fit for teaching and working with a whole bunch of different kids. So the way we would like for you to focus on this a bit is by thinking about the dispositions of your favorite teacher. There's a reason why they were your favorite. It had something to do with how they made you feel, how they interacted with you, how they challenged you, relationships with your family. Something or other made them your favorite. And chances are pretty good that the dispositions that they showed professionally were what attracted you to them in some part. So we'd like you to think about it and identify what those dispositions were. The way this assignment goes is just a real simple, friendly letter. Tell us the name of the teacher in the school, set it up just like a friendly letter, and this will be a 250-word assignment. Again, it doesn't have to be on the nose, but that is a minimum for this assignment. So make sure you've got at least 250 words. And then let us know what it is that made that particular teacher your favorite. And then something that's not a part of the assignment that I hope you'll at least think about, send the letter to your favorite teacher. Lord knows teachers get far little praise, and one of the things that teachers find most rewarding is when they hear from former students that acknowledge the work that they've done together and tell them something about where they are and where the student is in their path in life. Like I said, it's not required, but it would sure be a nice thing, and I would encourage you to complete the assignment and then send a letter to your favorite teacher.